Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel 12 Step. Today in this video let's learn about how to access Google Drive link. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any link which have been shared with us. So let's get into Viber for now. So here's a link. Simply tap on this. And we can see this. We cannot access it and we need to request an access. So let's tap on request access and a mail will be sent to the user or the owner of this link. After that, they need to give you the access. So the mail will be something like this and simply click on share. This will be done by the owner of the link. Now we can get back to the link and open it. So now we can finally open this. So this is how we can get the access in any Google Drive link. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.